Hey everyone, welcome back to Alita Cooks. Today I have Arroz con Pollo a la Chorrera, my first attempt of Mom's recipe. All the description will be below for the recipe and instructions. You're gonna season up that chicken. I used cut up chicken breast. You can use a whole chicken and cut it up in pieces. Marinate your chicken. Overnight preferably. I didn't have overnight, so I put it in the fridge after I covered it for about 4 hours. Then we're gonna air fry the chicken. I brushed canola oil on the basket of the air fryer after preheating for 5 minutes. I put the chicken in batches. I also brushed a little canola oil on the chicken, halfway through flipping and brushing again. I did about 5 batches. It was a lot of chicken. Then the chicken was done. Second, third, and fourth, and fifth batch, lower the temp a little bit, just a tip. Then I took out the marinade that the chicken was in, took out the little pieces that were not cooked, that were too small, and threw those out, put it through the sieve to just get the liquid, plus also the drippings from the air fryer. Don't forget to put that in there too. The next day, we prepare the rice. It's a process for me to make this dish. This was only made on special occasions when I was growing up. So it takes a couple of days for me to make it. So we put in the seasonings, the drippings. We put in some bijol for coloring. Then we add the rice. I used Arborio rice, Sello Rojo rice, which I cannot find in my area. So I used Carolina, Arborio, or risotto. 5 cups of rice to 10 of water. Then I had to take a break in between while the rice was cooking and make me a rum and coke. What other drink would I have making a Cuban dish? Honestly. Then when the rice is just about done, you're gonna add the chicken in there because it's already fully cooked. That's another thing, when you air fry the chicken, you fully cook it. And you're gonna stir it all in there. Then I'm gonna decorate with peas and red fancy pimientos. And here you have the finished product. And let me tell you, it came out delicious. This whole thing was done, no leftovers. Everyone in the household ate it. They loved it. That is true. As good as it looks, it tasted even better. Please subscribe if you're new. If you're not new, thank you for supporting me. Please let me know if you make this dish, and thank you for stopping by. Have a great holiday.